I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Movement, and 2. Phonics, long vowel oo, and short vowel uh. Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Today, I want you to challenge them by yourself, okay? I will give you the gesture and you do the actions. Are you ready? Stand up. Laugh at. Cry for. Smile at. Frown at. Shout at. Whisper to. Sit down. Now at this time, let's do it again together. Are you ready? Stand up. Laugh at. Cry for. Oh, Jimmy! Jimmy! Smile at. Frown at. Shout at. Hey! Whisper to. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. We've learned long vowel sounds for the last 2 weeks.
長い母音の音を2週間続けて練習してきたよね。
This week, the rule of long vowel is different.
今週の長い音のルールは少し違うよ。
The long vowel sounds for a long time.
Long vowel sound は長く伸ばす音。
And the short vowel sounds for a short time.
Short vowel sound は短く伸ばす音。
This is only applied to OO combination.
これは O が2つ並ぶ時だけに当てはまるルールです。
When you look at OO letters, it either sounds long oo, as in pool, or short as in book.
O の文字が2つ並んだ時、長い音は pool の U の音で、短い音は book の U の音になるよ。
Let's practice the two different sounds.
では、この2つの違う音を練習しよう。
First, let's start with the long vowel sound. OO is oo. OO is oo. Pool. Oo. Okay, let's try the oo sound together. 1, 2. Oo. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? OO is oo. Pool. Are you ready? 1, 2. OO is oo. Pool. Wonderful. Next, let's do the short vowel sound. O-O is U. O-O is U. Book. Okay, let's try the sound together. 1, 2. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? O-O is book. Are you ready? 1, 2. O-O is book. Wonderful. It's time to sing. Let's sing the song, Where Are My Things, together. It's time to go to school, but where are my things? Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where can they be?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Is it on the table?
No,
Is it under the desk?
no,
Is it in the drawer?
no.
Where is it?
It's behind the curtain.
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where can they be?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Are they next to the TV?
No,
Are they in front of the door?
no,
Are they between the sofa and chair?
no. Where
Where-
are they?
They're on your feet! Ha 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 ha! Well done! Goodbye! It's new vocabulary time. I'll introduce you to some new words. Just watch and listen carefully. Let's begin. Give. Take. Go. Come. Wash. Brush. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? 2 dogs come to me. Come on, come on. I brush my teeth. I give Akiko a present. You are?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I wash the dishes. I take an orange. I go there. Goodbye. That was great. Please remember. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. First, let's do it together slowly. Are you ready? I play volleyball. I kick a ball. I play the guitar. I sing a song. I read a book. I draw a picture. I take a nap. I eat a snack. Good job! Next, let's do it a little faster, shall we? Are you ready? I play volleyball. I kick a ball. I play the guitar. I sing a song. I read a book. I draw a picture. I take a nap. I eat a snack. Good job! Hi, it's book time! This week, try to listen to the story in English only. I will read you the story. Please watch and listen. Actions in the morning. Written by Gary and Akiko. I wake up in the morning. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I change my clothes. I eat breakfast. I read a book. I get ready for school. I get ready for kindergarten. See you later, Mom. The end. Did you understand the story? Goodbye.
Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Linda.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says zoo. Guess who? Badoo! Zoo. Zoo. Who said zoo?
I did. I said zoo.
Oh, Max said zoo. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Linda?
I said Sue. Sue.
I see. How about you, Carla? Carla?
I said blue. Blue.
I see.
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Movement, and 2. Phonics, long vowel oo, and short vowel Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.